Looking for the best curling iron sets? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 curling iron sets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. HSI Professional 4-Piece Curling Wand Kit. Users appreciate the solid construction, different curling options, and great results this set provides. It also stands out for being easy to use and curling evenly. We love that the different temperature options allow it to work for any hair type, and that it holds curls well even without any hair products. A high-quality set that provides professional results. Some customers felt that the instructions could be more clear. At number 2. Xtava Satin Waves 5-in-1 Curling Iron and Wand Set. Users love the different barrels and wands that allow them to create a variety of looks. It stands out for having easy to change barrels and maintaining its temperature well. We love that the curls will last and hold their shape. Travelers also appreciate the dual voltage feature. A good value for its price. This is a versatile set that provides lots of options. It doesn't have a protective tip on either the iron or wands, so use caution and the provided glove when using. At number 1. Irresistible Me 8-in-1 Hair Curling Iron Set. This system gets top marks for heating up quickly and curling well even on thick, very straight, or hard to curl hair. Users love the variety of options that offer unlimited styling choices, and the fact that the cord swivels easily when using. A pro-grade set that has more options than many others on the market. Expert recommended. A few felt it was a bit difficult to change the rods, and occasionally customers experience barrels not working or breaking. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.